Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to add a wallet to your WooCommerce store. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video to the very end, follow my steps correctly, so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up the official WordPress website right here at wordpress.com if you've not already. And after opening it up, you'll be greeted by the main page where in the upper right corner you can get started with logging into your account. So go ahead and log in if you haven't already. And after logging in successfully, you'll be greeted by this home page right here where at the left side screen you can find all the sections you can access such as home, statistics, upgrades, and so on. So let's go ahead and take a look at how we can get started with the wallet option for WooCommerce store. As you can see, we have the WooCommerce option right here at the left side screen. That's going to enable us to start a new WooCommerce store if you do not already have one. So if you already have one guys, you can just access it from here and you'll be able to find all the options and settings that you have for your store. But to access a wallet guys, we are going to need a plugin. So what we're going to do is open up the plugin section right here. By opening up the plugin section, this is now going to open up this plugins marketplace where we can find all the plugins we can use for our store. And what we can use is the search bar right here. What you want to search is for Woo Payments. So search for Woo Payments guys, and after searching for Woo Payments, as you can see right here, it's going to give us this results page where we can find all the WooCommerce plugins that we have. And what we are going to be using for wallet is this one guys, Woo Payments Integrated WooCommerce Payments. This is going to enable us to integrate this payments plugin into your store by clicking the install button that's going to appear right here. And by adding it to your store guys, you can go ahead and access your wallet from which people will be able to purchase using your WooCommerce store, and all the money is going to go into your wallet. So the wallet is going to appear in your plugin section in your WooCommerce store, and you'll be able to access it from there, and then you'll be able to withdraw any money you have in your wallet, and it's easy as that. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.